Welcome back to SL Brokerage Hub. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool for marketers and entrepreneurs. Want to stop guessing and start selling? In this video, I'll show you how to use BigSpy, the secret tool top advertisers use to uncover winning ads that are already making thousands. Let's find out how you can build high-converting campaigns from day one. Interested to sign up? Check my affiliate link in the description. Before we dive in, let's talk about the goal. Using an ad spy tool isn't about copying. It's about three things. 1. De-risking your ad spend by seeing what's already resonating with your audience. 2. Identifying new product trends and marketing angles before they become saturated. 3. Understanding your competitor's strategy, what they're pushing, where they're advertising, and what landing pages are converting for them. BigSpy is a massive ad intelligence platform. It tracks millions of ads across all major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google, giving you a real-time look at what's performing best in any niche. Let's get practical. Here's how you find winning ads. First of all, create an account. Sign up through my affiliate link in the description. Step 1. Start your search. Log in, go to the Ad Spy tab, and choose your platform. Let's start with Facebook. Type in a broad keyword for your niche, like skincare. Step 2. Apply advanced filters. This is where the magic happens. Filter by country to target your key markets. Use the call to action filter to find ads focused on sales, like Shop Now. Most importantly, sort by likes or shares to see the most viral content first. Step 3. Analyze the ad details. Click on any ad that catches your eye. BigSpy shows you the full ad creative, the ad copy, and even the landing page URL. Pay attention to the headline, the visual style, and the offer. Step 4. Track top charts. Don't forget to check the top charts feature. This gives you a daily updated list of the top performing advertisers and creatives, which is perfect for spotting trends. Okay, you found a winning ad. What now? Don't just copy it. Instead, model the strategy. For example, if you see a popular video ad for a dog toy that uses a problem/solution format, apply that same format to your cat toy ad. Notice they use bright, user-generated style videos? That's a clue for your own creative. Analyze their headline structure and use it as a template for your own copy. Ready to build your next campaign with confidence? Click the link in the description to grab a BigSpy trial. Stop guessing, start analyzing, and create ads that convert. Thanks for watching. Now that you've found your winning ads, here's what you can do next to leverage this valuable data. Recreate the angle or offer, not the ad itself, to ensure originality and effectiveness. Analyze the headline, caption style, and visuals of successful ads to understand their appeal. Use this insight to inspire your next Facebook or TikTok campaign, crafting compelling content. Unlike other spy tools, BigSpy offers unlimited searches and supports multiple platforms, making it incredibly versatile. This makes it one of the most affordable and complete tools available in 2025 for comprehensive ad intelligence. Ready to find your next viral ad and boost your marketing efforts? Click my affiliate link in the description to try BigSpy today and start creating ads that truly convert.